Hi guys, today we will go to Nisi Beach and we will show you what things you need to know before going to this great and wonderful beach. Bus 101 and 102 will stop right near Nisi Beach and they are 1.5 euro one single trip. You can pay at the bus driver with cash. So the parking is 3 euro and it's all day long. So you need to know that the foam party is every Tuesday, Friday and Sunday at Nisi Bay Beach Bar. This beach is rated one of the top 10 beaches in Europe, so I guess you will like this video. It is 10 AM and all the sunbeds are taken. The good spots are already taken, so be sure to be here early. A great thing here in Cyprus is that the sunbeds and umbrellas are 2.5 euro each. You will have it for full day. I consider that it's pretty cheap. Another great thing is that you have a convenience store really close to the beach. It's just crossing by over the bars. So the convenience store is right in the parking lot. You can buy water, refreshments, or also something to eat. So I think there were a lot of cases in Cyprus yesterday. There were some around 300 here in Ayia Napa, and we are obliged to wear a mask, but just inside the shop, so we can take it off right now. Right near the Nisi bar you have showers that are also with money, 1 euro. These showers are right near the Nisi bar beach. Let's see how much it is.
Enter the desired time.
So for 1 hour is 2 euro, 2 hours 3 euro, 5 hours 5 euro, 12 hours 20 euro. Something that you can eat on the beach. Let's see, ice cream and some fast food, pizza, crisps, wraps, drinks. Prices starting from 4 euro. Right on the beach. Also ice cream and waffles. It's a pretty cool beach, no? Let's go for a swim in Nisi Beach. beach is really crowded. It is Saturday, so that's why we missed the foam party, which is only Sunday. But if you manage to go to a foam party, leave us a comment below. What you need to know is that at Nisi Beach, driving a jet ski, it's 50 euro, only 15 minutes. And if you go to Macronissos, which is a beach near close by, it's 40 euro, 20 minutes. If you will drive it more than once, as we did, definitely you will go to Macronissos and have more time with few money. Nisi Beach is like 40 minutes walking distance from Ayia Napa city center. So definitely if you want to book a hotel nearby, you should take into consideration that hotels are pretty expensive here. You should consider booking a hotel like we did at about the middle of the Ayia Napa, not far away from the city center, but not really far away from the Nisi Beach, at about 20 minutes walking distance from a boat. A good place to eat right near Nisi Beach is Zorbas. It's a walking distance like 30 meters, and you can find here bakeries and salads and pizza, coffee, all kind of stuff, and they're really cheap. I really recommend it. They are delicious. Let's go inside.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way.
I really hope that you like this video and it will help you through your journey. So please like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one.